Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add timestamp on your video on CapCut apps. So here I've already added a video to the CapCut editor page, and then if you guys want to know how to add the timestamp, you can just click on text at the bottom and here choose text template. Okay, so in here you'll find several categories that you can use. There are trending, social media, title, Christmas, and time. So you can just click on the time, and here the timestamp or time format caption will be show up here. You can just choose one of them. For example, I want to choose just a simple one. This one's right here, and then you can change the date into the date that you want. For example, I want to change it into today's date. Okay, you can just click on that and click on the check icon, and then I'm going to place it at the bottom of the video like this. Okay, so let's see how it looks like. Okay, so that is how you can add timestamp on CapCut. It is so easy, and I think you can follow it right away. I hope this video is helpful to you. Feel free to drop it a question in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye.